Welcome to my first Microsoft Word tutorial. The whole reason I'm creating this tutorial for you is so that after class, you're able to go back and refresh your memory. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word. As you can see, I have it open right here on my dock, but you can also go to Launchpad and go to the second page. Whoops. Go back to my Launchpad, go to the second page, and click on Microsoft Word. When Microsoft Word originally shows up, we're going to want to create a blank document and click Create. That's how we're going to open our first assignment. As you can see, we have what is called the cursor, or the blinky thing as we like to call it, and you can just start typing. You can type paragraphs, you can type lists by pressing the Enter key. Pretty basic stuff. The next thing I would like to show you is if I want to make this fancy, I can highlight. And I highlight by clicking on the mouse and dragging it across. And then I can go up here, and this will allow me to change my font style. So I'll pick this. Now you can see it's a little bit more fancy. I can click this button here and change the size. I can also use these two buttons as well to change the size. This one makes it bigger. This one makes it smaller. Another thing that we like to do is we like to change our font color. That's right here. So we can click and change the color to something else. And that's how we change font size, color, and style. The next thing I'd like to do is show you how to insert a shape. Now, if you're working in Microsoft Word and you want to insert a shape, it is important that you pay attention to where your cursor is when you're inserting things. For this, we're going to draw a shape, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to go to Shapes. I'm going to pick out one that I like. And I'm just going to take my mouse wherever and draw it in. Easy stuff. Once I've drawn my shape, you can see up here where it says shape color. I can change the color of my shape to yellow so that it's more like a sun. I can also go up here and change the outline to a different color as well. So you can change all of those kind of things. When I am finished with my Microsoft Word assignment, I want to go up, and you can't see it on my screen, but I'm going to go way up here to File. It's up on the very top bar, and you'll see this drop down menu. And I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to click on Save As. We want to make sure that this part right here says Desktop, and we want to make sure that it says whatever, if we're doing an outline or a testing sheet, whatever the assignment's called, that's what we want to name it. And then we click Save. Once we've clicked Save, you'll see that there's a word right here. That's what we wanted to see, that there's my title. And then I can close it. And if I look on my desktop, it's right here for me to come back to the next day. Hope this video helps. Thanks.